Hello everyone and welcome to Big Pharma. It's time for us to put on our philanthropist shoes and try and help the world while also fattening our bank accounts. So let's make a new game and we will begin by doing the king of the non-prescriptions. So far I've gotten a master rank in everything except this, so we're gonna try that again. So we're going to pick ourselves who we want to be, and we're going to be Orion. We're going to name ourselves Crisco LLC. So Crisco LLC, and we'll incorporate. And so now we have, alright, so first things first, we're going to pause the game so we can take a look at everything that we have right here. So this is our starting plot of land that we're able to make our drugs with. What we're going to try and do is make 500 of each of these before we come to January 1st of 2023. So first, let's take a look at our ingredients. So right now we have the bruised Mabari bark solution, which removes warts. And we also have the desiccated dicate essence, which relieves hypertension. Now, we do have removes warts? Does not look like it, and neither do we have hypertension. So neither of these really helps us. However, we can upgrade these medicines by doing something. So this one can turn into traits angina, which if we do that, we send the concentration of the ingredient to 6 or below, and then run it through an ionizer, and we'll explain what the machines are later. And for this one, we can go to female contraceptive for if we lower this by 2 and then do an ionizer. So this might be a fairly lucrative drug. We can't get rid of that, but so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna hire and explore so we can try and get another drug, one that hopefully will take care of something from here. So we'll do that. Additionally, we're going to go into our research and hire a scientist to research the ionizer so that we can upgrade this ingredient. So if you look here, ionizer, and this one needs, yeah, both of them need the ionizer, so it makes good sense for us to do that. Now, if we look here, we can see the different monetary value that we can get for producing drugs of these types. So, since neither of these come from our overall goals, the main thing that we want to do in using these is to make money. So, right now we need painkillers, antihistamines, which are relaxants, soothes cold, which is the upgrade for soothes cold symptoms, soothes cough symptoms, and then last but not least, soothes rash. So we have to do a lot of research to get higher for that. But right now, I think what we're gonna do, let's check the, female contraceptive has a lot of people that we can treat. However, the demand for it is not quite as high. So I think we're going to start with treats angina, and then we can move into female contraceptive. After we upgrade our drugs into these higher levels, we can upgrade them one more time. For most drugs, some can't. But let's go here, go to the ingredients. So what we're going to do is we're going to import this, decrease it by 2, and then run it through an ionizer as soon as we can. However, time is money. So we're going to start off with just moving it down 1 and selling it for both of these. We'll run 2 production lines to do that. Actually, we can only run 1 right now. Let's take a look at our future expansion opportunities. Could go over here, and that would give us 3 potential lines. So I think we're going to do that. Let's go right here. We're going to start importing this. We need to decrease by at least 1. So we'll decrease the concentration. We're gonna eventually have to do more, but this should be fine for right now. We'll just do the one, and we'll make 2 pill printers so we can print out those pills. We want to use the least amount of space as possible. Actually, that was wrong placement. So what you can do is double click to remove your items. So there we go. So we'll have that come in through there. While this run through here. Then you need to come off. There you go. Let's drag that on in there. And we have our first production line. Now we're going to do another production line, and we'll have that over here so we can get some more room. So here we're going to decrease this by 1. This is probably going to be a fairly good drug since it won't have any other side effects. So let's just go right there, and we will build 2 pill printers. Put them right here. Into there, out through here. There. Okay, and now we're ready to go for it. We'll see which one of these makes more money, and then we can duplicate that thing again. So let's go through here and take a look at what we've got. So you see here, when this goes into this machine, it decreases the concentration, which activates both of these elements. So ideally, we'd want to not have the increases blood pressure, but there's nothing that we can really do right now. So as right here, we have this, which is going down, and it will just have relieves hypertension as opposed to dry mouth as well. So now we've got 2 pills. We'll name those real quick. And then we finally start selling them. So right now we're at a loss of profits right now, but that won't be there that long. Let's take a look at the company. Both of these are not too shabby right now. This is not going to get us that good, but we can do the blood pressure. See, each of these ingredients has a max potency, and so we can make the drugs more effective by actually reaching what that is. So we've got 5 blood pressures decreased so we got about a 50% rate of cure for there, and much less for our remove warts. But for right now, that's what we can afford to do. Let's speed up time so that we can go and get some more money from this stuff. So take a look here. 62 bucks. We'll wait until our research is complete for one of these things. Once he's done with the ionizer, we'll go to the agglomerator. Ingredients. That should be done around the same time. This should do some skin medications. Hopefully it'll be the soothed rash that we need. Take a look. Our competition has just released a hypertension decreaser. So we'll see how our stuff compares to them. But yeah. So we're doing fine. Pain medication, infection, relaxants, psychological, and then we're gonna have to do desert expeditions to unlock these at some point. Ideally, we want to get these ingredients faster rather than later because we're kind of in a hard space for time, and so we don't have that long to accomplish everything. But so far so good. This pill's making a ton of money. So we could do another line with that, but I think we might wait until we have... Well, I guess we might as well go for it. Just have to decrease 1. And it'll get us some cash in the meantime. And we can reuse the ingredients in the future. Decreases concentration. Oh, we got an ingredient. Awesome. Let's pause. Okay, soothes rash. That's what we need. Pause. Perfect. Okay, well, let's change what we've got right here. Stop. We're going to bring in the other ingredients. We got the ionizer, so let's start researching the agglomine meter. Okay. So now that we've got the Soothes Rash, we can go up by 2. This does not have... so we're not going to be able to upgrade this for a while. But we can import that, go up by 2, and we should be just fine. Okay. So let's import that right there. So we need to go up by 2. So increases concentration by 1. Let's twist that this way. Yep, that'll be fine. Twist this over here. Perfect. And then we'll get 2 pill pushers out. Okay. There, we're gonna need to go this way, I think. Let's get right here. And this should take care of our necessity since we have so much time right now, relatively speaking. We should be able to fulfill the demand for Soothes Rash with this. So let's go there. But now that we have the ionizer, we can upgrade these. So this only has to go down 1 more and through an ionizer. So what we'll do is we're gonna move some stuff around. Go down 1 more. So we'll go this again. We're gonna use an ionizer. And then we'll figure out where it's gonna go. Pause this. We're probably gonna have to run. So what we're gonna do here, you could run that through. Actually, that's perfect right there. So let's get rid of that. We'll have this run through there. Perfect. And then we'll restructure this. Okay. So that should be fine. And we'll see what we have to do to finish the next bit. So let's press play for right now. Losing some money, but that shouldn't be an issue soon. So now that's going to change into female contraceptive, and we have to go down to 7 to 19. We have a new product for our Soothes Rash. So Crisco Rash no more. Perfect. What we're going to want to do is keep going down. Eventually we'll have better machines for this, but we will... Alright. So we'll probably want to buy this so that we can keep going. Okay, so basic. Decreaser. Increase concentration by 1. We're going to put them over this way. So we need to go from here. See how that goes. If we go down 3, we need to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is active. We need to go down 6. So we're halfway down with this, but that won't be enough. We can't. Okay, we can use an ionizer as well, which should help us out quite a bit actually. So let's go ahead. We're gonna want to do it this way. Okay, so that'll be fine. Link all of these up. Okay, and then we will be able to do the pill printers. And we'll come out through here. If we manage that. Yep, we should be able to manage that. We could also have used 2 ionizers. But right now, they're more expensive than using these. So you want to keep production costs down so you can make more money. So let's go on over here, see how this goes. My calculations are correct. Perfect. Alright, so now there's no side effects. So makers, pill printers. There. We don't want to block this area, but okay. So what we can do, you're right there. Go right through there. So that's. Do we have the cache? Yes, we do. Okay, that's fine. Boom, perfect. But we want to have 1 more pill pusher if we can manage it. But we don't want to block off that either. so we can do something from over here to over there, or over there, because we don't want to leave things too unattended. Or we can go out straight through there, instead of here. No, that wouldn't really work. Is there a better way that we could do this? Well, right now we'll just get rid of these, and we'll do the 2 printers for the moment. Eventually we'll be able to upgrade and use better machinery, but that's just not possible for us right now. And actually, once we upgrade to, we can buy this area, so that should give us more room anyway. So that should be fine. So that should run fine. Okay, good. Well, let's press play and let that continue. See how much money that's making. We'll eventually want to move these pill printers to over here. We might want to buy this first. And we can upgrade these as well. Actually, we could go from here, upgrade out here, and do something over here. Either way, I'm anxious to see how this pill works. Alright, it's not connected? Oh, it's not connected. Okay, there we go. Let's wait until that goes through. Belt. Going through here and sell that. Perfect. Awesome. Female contraception. Crisco pregnancy shield. Named. Alright, good. So that's fine. That's blocked off right now. But we can fix that. 40 growth relief. That's fine. Might as well, yeah, let's buy this so we can upgrade. Okay. Let's see what this needs to go up. We need this to go up to 10. Can we get rid of either of these? Okay. We can remove that, and actually we didn't want to upgrade this, we wanted to upgrade this. Okay, that's fine. So this we need to go down to 6. So that's quite a ways. Let's check our research. It's going fine. How about our ingredients? Okay, we've got 1 point. We're gonna hire another one since we have enough money to start going. Oh, I don't have the cash necessary to do so yet. So I guess we'll wait on that for the moment, and we'll build some more decreasing machines. Down. Let's check how far we have to go down. Right now we're at 13 and we need to go down to 6. So we're gonna need 7 of these. Go down by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, well, let's see where that takes us. Alright, so this one's going down to 11. 10, 9, 8, 7. So I think we need to go down to 6, correct? So we need to go down 1 more. Basic, decrease concentration by 1. So what's the best way for us to do this? I guess we can come in through here. And then we'll run this through an ionizer. Okay. This over here. Oh, we need the money. Awesome. Go to research. We got one guy. I think we're gonna need another before we can do more things. So we'll just leave him to generate some points for the moment. However, we're lacking in funds because we can't produce things. So we might need to... Okay. We're gonna... Oh, we've got some money. What do we need for the ionizer? 2200. Come on. We're getting there. 1808. 22. Speed things up a little bit. Perfect. And now we just need to connect. Awesome. Now this is a huge line that we're going to have to use for right now. So we'll wait until this comes through. We need 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 700 to go up here. Oh, just one off. Oh, cool. Alright. So let's make sure that this works. And oh, it just changed it to treats Angia, not actually made it. Okay, we need to go up by 3. So we've got 2 options. We can go increase this concentration by 3 with another one of these, or we can go and use 3 of the evaporators. So I think that's probably what we want to do. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll want to get rid of all of those since we can't really do much with them. So there's one. Oh, we need money first. Okay. So we're going to need to go fast forward. A couple of these. I think it's 600 for this machine. Yep. So now we need to move it this way. Just need 3 of them, and then we can push pills with them. So we'll get there soon. And once we actually make the cash, we'll be happy. Alright, and the last one will be right here. Alright, 400. Alright, we're getting close. Come on. Perfect. Now we just need to link these up. $200 to go. Come on. I should have probably done this in reverse order. Almost perfect. Alright, good. Now we'll be losing money for a little bit, but once we get this up, let's double check this real quick. Perfect. Eventually we'll probably want to increase it some more. Right now we just need to get this out. Okay, perfect. Angia Soother is out.